Hello, it's Matt and welcome to the Microsoft 365 Roadmap Radar for February and March 22. This is the show where I trawl through the roadmap looking for the good stuff that I think you'll be interested in. This month we've got updates for Teams, SharePoint and Forms, so let's take a look. The biggest new update on the roadmap for Teams this month is Teams Connect. This will bring shared channels to Teams. To go with the private and standard channels we already have, there'll be a new type called Shared. And with a shared channel, we'll be able to share the channel with someone outside of our team or even outside of our organization. We won't have to invite people to join the team, they can just collaborate with us inside the channel. To get the public preview, team owners need to be using the Teams app with public preview switched on. And once a new feature has been rolled out to the tenant, there'll be a shared option when a new channel is created. We'll be able to schedule meetings and meet now in shared channels, and they'll support tabs and connectors, but not bots or apps at the start anyway. Each shared channel is connected to its own dedicated SharePoint site, just like a private channel is today, and there'll be support for information protection features like e-discovery, legal hold, retention, data loss prevention, and audit logging. So this preview will begin to roll out in March and should be complete by early April. A new feature is coming to Teams that will allow us to customize the number of chat messages we see on the screen. We'll be able to switch chat to compact mode and fit 50% more messages on screen. The default today is comfortable, and that's what you'll see in Teams at the moment. This will be rolling out to Teams desktop and should be complete in February. The new Fluent emojis are coming to Teams. This is just a refresh of how the emojis look and not what they do. There will be a new gallery of all the refreshed emojis when you add one to a chat, and also when you react to a post. This update is rolling out now and should be complete by the end of March. LinkedIn integration is coming to Teams Chats. For those tenants that have LinkedIn integration available, there will be a new tab in Teams Chats. And the new LinkedIn tab will appear alongside the chat, files, organization and activity tabs in one-to-one chat. It'll work just like Contact works in Outlook. Initially, this will be available for just contacts inside your Office 365 tenant, but Microsoft say eventually it will be available for people outside as well. This feature is rolling out in March and will be complete in April. The Viva Connections dashboard is a web part that can show cards with useful information from your SharePoint intranet. With this update, boosted news pages can also appear on the Viva dashboard. Authors can post their news pages and boost them to highlight important news and announcements. Boosted news on the Viva dashboard is rolling out during March. Content types are coming to modern SharePoint sites. Content types have been around since SharePoint began, but since we moved to modern sites, they've been hidden away from view. A new feature for adding a column based on a content type is being added. There'll be a new content type choice whenever a site administrator uses add column on a document library or list. Modern content type columns will be rolling out during March. This new feature will let us attach a Microsoft form to a Microsoft booking appointment in Teams. This means we can collect information before and after our bookings. Forms will be included in the booking email confirmation, so the attendee can complete it before they join the meeting. This feature will not be supported in the Bookings web app though. It will only be in Teams to start with. Forms integration with Bookings is rolling out now and should be complete by the end of March. Microsoft Forms will soon have a feature that will allow users to share a form directly with other people and groups that will include automated follow-up emails. Once a new form is made, the creator can invite others to complete it. Forms will then send periodic email updates letting the creator know how their form is doing. And the creator can send reminders to the recipients to make sure that they complete the survey. The Forms email notification feature will be rolling out in March and should be complete by the end of April. The sending experience in Forms is getting an update. Now there'll be a separate feature for sharing with our responders and collaborators. Most of the time we just want to share our form with responders, and we can do that from the Send button. And if we want to share the form so collaborators can work on it with us, we use the ellipsis now and choose collaborate or duplicate. This new sending experience is rolling out now and should be complete by the end of March. And finally, the number of responders who can complete a form is going up to 5 million. Right now it's 50,000, and with this new update, when the responders are over 50,000, the analysis data can be downloaded as a CSV file. And this feature will roll out in March. Okay, so that's all I've got for you this time. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.